Let's go for the basic setting of our QNO FQR8010. So for the general setting, the LAN setting is the LAN IP address of our QNO FQR8010. So for our WAN connection type, choose obtain an IP automatically if you are obtaining an automatic DHCP or most commonly if you are a cable modem user. Choose static IP address if your internet service provider issue you all WAN information. For example, if you have IP address 122.203.97.71. So for the subnet mask, if you have 255.255.0, your default gateway 122.203.97.5. For your DNS server, type 202.97.64.3. For the secondary, type 202.97.64.6. Choose PPOE for an ADSL virtual dial-up connection. So type your username, for example, iglobe at PLDT, then type your password. You can select keep alive redial period for 30 seconds.